I'm going to draw some diagrams on a whiteboard here to make some tech videos. Previously, I wanted to make a technical video in a way of an animated video, which is more direct and vivid, and I may use software such as 3D Max. But since I don't know how to use this software, and learning this software can take a lot of time and effort, I think using whiteboard to draw pictures is probably the easiest way. The main purpose of making tech videos here is to get funding from sponsors for real R&D. In the process of making videos, I can occasionally touch on some political view, whether it is economy, the arts, the technology. They are all inevitably involved in politics, and it is impossible for a person to talk about rights and interests in isolation from politics. Drawn on the whiteboard here is an experimental setup that can be used to measure rotational speed. This is a closed coil of 3 pairs of poles, each of which is shown in the diagram above. Each pole pair consists of 2 separate coils, one north pole and one south pole. A silicon steel sheet is placed under the pole pair to enhance the magnetic field, and a structure containing 3 silicon steel sheets of the pole pairs supports the entire coil to form a rotor. The rotor can be turned clockwise or counterclockwise. Below is the stator for detecting the rotational speed, which is composed of 3 pairs of poles corresponding to the rotor coil. The stator lets out 2 wires connected to the probe circuit that contains the power supply. The 3 pairs of poles of the stator are attached to a supporting plate. The way to measure speed is that the rotor structure with coils is a laminar that can be attached to the device to be measured, such as a fan. The axis of the rotor coincides with the axis of the fan, and the rotor is fixed. The stator laminar is placed parallel to the rotor laminar, so that the stator and the rotor can generate electromagnetic induction. The stator coil is energized so that the stator coil generates magnetic fields. When the rotor rotates, the magnetic fields of the stator will be induced, and the electromotive force generated by the rotor will also be induced on the stator coil. The detection circuit is connected to the power line of the stator, and the rotational speed of the rotor can be measured by detecting the periodical change of the electromotive force on the power line.